In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a vertical split screen and a horizontal split screen to your videos in Shotcut. So I have my first clip selected, and I'm going to go to filters, and I'm going to choose size, position, rotate. Now I'm going to move this clip here to the right, but I'm going to use this grid box here to help me out and guide me. I'm using the 4x4. And all I have to do is move it to the right, and I am trying to center it between the edge of the screen and the middle line right here. Right there seems to be fine. Now I'm going to add another filter called crop rectangle. Here all I'm going to do is just slide this handle to the right. Once it gets to the center of the screen, that's it. Now I'm going to hide his clip, and I'm going to select the clip in the bottom, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. Just go to size, position, rotate. I'm going to move this clip here to the left, making sure I have her centered as much as possible. And now I'm going to add the crop rectangle filter. Slide this to the left. And now I'm going to unhide his clip. And I'm going to select his clip. And I have to go to crop rectangle and then hit transparent to make the other clip visible. And now let's check what it looks like.
Hey, yeah, we just finished lunch. I'm just relaxing by the water now. It's perfect.
Okay, I'm going to add a dark line in the center just to make it look more professional. It's very easy. Just go to the first clip or any clip, select crop rectangle, and here the slider, you see it here for the man. Just move it to the right a little bit, very gradually, right about there. You don't need much. Now select the bottom clip, go to crop rectangle, and move this slider to the left just a bit. Right there. And this is what it looks like.
Hey, yeah, we just finished lunch. I'm just relaxing by the water now. It's perfect.
So it's a lot better with that line in the middle. Now I'm going to show you how to do the horizontal one. Let me remove these filters. I'm going to remove just a crop rectangle from both of these, since I'm going to use size, position, and rotate for both. Let me undo that. I removed the wrong filter. Crop rectangle, remove. Okay, back to the first clip. Let me remove everything so it won't be so confusing. So select the first clip and go to size, position, rotate, just like we did with the first time. We're going to use the guide box, 4x4 grid, and I'm going to move him up. Now I don't want the top of his head to be cropped out, so I'll just stop it right there. Then go to crop rectangle and move this slider up towards the middle, right around there. And I'm going to go a little bit higher just to give that black line in the middle. That's all we need. Now I'm going to hide him. Select her clip and do the same thing. Go to size, position, rotate. And I'm going to bring her down. Right about there is good. Go to crop rectangle. And then bring this down. I'm going to bring it down a little bit lower just to make that black line in the center. But when you have these grid lines on, it's hard to bring it down very slightly. It just gives it to you like that. So I'm going to remove this and then go down just a bit, because I only need very tiny amount. Right about there. Now go back to his clip, unhide it, and go to crop rectangle and click on transparent. That'll bring the other image back, and this is what it looks like.
Hey, yeah, we just finished lunch. I'm just relaxing by the water now. It's perfect. You should come visit.
And that's it. That's how you do the vertical split screen and the horizontal split screen in Shotcut. And make sure to check out my other videos to learn more about editing, quick tricks and tips, and check out my channel too. Thank you for watching.